Alright guys, what's up? So today's Monday, I'm going back to work and we're just starting the blizzard of 2018. This is our first one. Doesn't look horrible yet, but it's just starting, and today's Monday and the blizzard warning goes till Tuesday at midnight. I'm going to work and hopefully I don't get stuck there. You guys probably can't see how bad the roads are, but they're not horrible. They are covered though. I'm sure this highway is going to be closed off before I get done working. It's not even 9:30 and I'm already clocking out of work and I'm going home. Well, I might as well take advantage of the free snow day. So I'm going to spin you around here and get you a look at the roads. They're really not that bad right now, actually. So as you can see, we got a plow truck in front of us. It's only the start. It's 9:30. Yep, we'll keep you guys updated as this thing goes on. It's looking pretty good though. Should be getting 12 to 18 inches of snow at least. A lot of snow coming down. A lot of snow. Even right in the middle of town here, you can't hardly see where you're going. Probably, I don't know, less than a quarter mile of visibility, I would say. This is the best storm we've had all year. We had one early in December, but this one by far beats it. Just driving down my street here, it looks like it hasn't been plowed yet. Probably got, I bet you there's 4 inches of snow on there already. Just did a little bit of shoveling down to my car here. I actually just shoveled this not even 2 hours ago, I suppose. You can see how tall that already is right there. So much snow. Still have at least 10 hours of snow left, I think, is what the radar was saying. And we're going up to Walmart, doing some grocery shopping. On the way up to the store, waited for these 2 plow trucks to go up the hill first. One of those could be my dad, actually. He's been out since 4 o'clock this morning plowing. So as you can tell, all this snow is already starting to melt. Today's like 37, 38 degrees. We still have a good amount of snow left, but it's melting. Got the Mavic out. We're gonna take that out for a little spin. Just do a little fly around, that way we can see how much snow is in the area here.